Hello, this is Dee from dmiddleton.com and welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at how to declutter and organize your medicine cabinet. So here we are in my kitchen and I wanted to show you the starting place. So here on this side we keep kind of our daily medications, band-aids, over-the-counter stuff. And then over here we keep supplements, and then above that first aid. So you can see the disaster that we have right now. So what we're gonna do, very first thing, is we're going to declutter. So the first thing you're going to do is pull everything out of your cabinets. So what I've done is I've kind of pulled them out shelf by shelf, and I have them sitting in such a way that it's kind of organized by the shelf. And you can see I've already got some type of organization here, but it's certainly not working well for us. So that's what we're going to work on next. So the very first thing I want you to do when you're decluttering is you're going to get rid of anything that's expired, anything that's in a bottle that you don't recognize or you no longer use. So let's start with that. Get rid of expired medications. Any pill that you can't recognize what it is, any kind of cream that you can't recognize what it is no longer safe to use. So we'll start there. Okay, so we've now just finished decluttering and wanted to show you kind of what was left. So I've got them sorted kind of by category, as you can see. And these I've already been using. These are working well. These are things that you can divide into little cubbies. But some of these other ones are basically divided by category. So here you can see we have some vitamins and supplements. We also have topical skin meds. I have some heating pads and stuff. And then we've got headache medicines that I want to keep separate. I've got a little container there for medicine droppers and medicine syringes. So what we're going to do next is we're going to create a daily basket for myself and for my husband to get us organized where we can just pull out one basket per person that will keep all of those supplements and medications that we take daily. We'll keep those better organized and we can reach for that daily. So I wanted to kind of talk you through what I'm doing next. So I had mentioned a daily basket for your daily medications, maybe prescriptions you take or supplements you take every day. So what I did is I went to TJ Maxx and I grabbed these clear containers. And they do come with lids. I got 3 containers for less than $13. But before you go running off to do any purchasing, you need to measure. So I want you to get your measuring tape and I want you to measure the depth and the width of your cabinetry to make sure that your containers are going to fit exactly where you want them to be. Now, I wanted ours on this one side and I wanted us to both be able to pull them out without disrupting any of the other stuff, without having to lift and move or uncover things. So even though mine come with lids, I'm probably going to leave those uncovered just so they're easier to reach for and grab and just slide right back. Okay, so now I've separated out my husband's supplements and vitamins and my supplements and vitamins into our own container. So the next question you may have is, what if you both take some of the same supplements and vitamins every day, meaning you've been sharing a bottle? So what you can either do is you can keep an old bottle. Obviously you could buy 2 of each, or you could keep an old bottle of the exact, same item. These are both like a vitamin K and vitamin D combo. So what I have done is I've divided those evenly because we both take them. I want to not ever leave anything out of its original container. That's very important. You keep your medications and any kind of supplement or vitamin in its original container so it can't be confused for something else. But another little hack that I do, rather than having to read the bottle every single day, I know that we need to take 2. So I'll take a Sharpie and I'll just write on the top of those bottles, I'll write a number 2 if it's 2 supplements. Same thing here for this particular one, the turmeric, we take 2 a day. So rather than reading the bottle every single day, I'll just go ahead and write 2. Now another hack you can do for prescription medications is I always write my name on my prescription medication. That way they're, easy to recognize visually if they're in the same cabinet, and you don't ever reach for the wrong medication. You can just be triggered right there that your name is on that medication. Okay, so I just completed the final organization. So let me take you through that. So as you can see, it's much, much better than before. Now remember, the key takeaways for organizing your medicine cabinet is to, number one, throw away anything expired or outdated. Number two, throw away anything that you don't recognize. So if it's just like an empty a bottle that doesn't have any labels, or any kind of packets of pills that don't have any labels and you can't identify what they are, throw those away. Better to be safe than sorry. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to tune in again and give it a like below, or leave any comments or questions you might have. Thanks for watching.